This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Craig. Super clean, renovated 2-bedroom home with impact windows and newer roof, tile floors, laundry and storage. Kitchen features stainless steel appliances. Covered carport and plenty of parking. Huge brick patio and fenced backyard. Double gate access and paved parking for RV or boat. Good location on residential street, close to US 1 and south of Sample Road with easy access to shopping, restaurants and less than 10 minutes to the beach. Pet friendly, dogs under 40 pounds. Tenant should have a minimum credit score of 670 or be willing to pay considerable advance rent. Ready for new tenant. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Craig at 954-294-5629.